The next part of the section is on amortization tables. Now, an amortization table breaks down the composition of the monthly payment. So, monthly payments early in the life of a mortgage are mostly paying towards the interest. And monthly payments late in the life of a mortgage are mostly paying towards the principal. So you can see that we have our amortization table here, and the mortgage is $130,000, and each monthly payment is $1,357.50. So these two columns break down how much of that monthly payment is going towards the interest and how much is going towards the principal. And if you add each of these columns in each row, they should always add up to be $1,357.50. So if you take $1,029.17 plus $328.33, that equals $1,357.50. If you go to the next row, $1,026.57 plus $330.93. That also equals $1,357.50. So each row adds up to be the monthly payment. And then on the right, the balance of the loan starts at $130,000 and it's working its way down to zero. So question number 5 says, what percentage of the second monthly payment is paying towards the principal? So we want to take the $330.93 and see what percentage of the monthly payment is paying towards the principal. So I need to take that number and divide it by the monthly payment. And this is equal to 0.24. So that would be 24%. And then number 6 says, what percentage of the 125th monthly payment is paying towards the principal? So the 125th is right here. So 872.88 divided by 1,357.50 is 0.64, so 64%. So it's increasing. And then number 7, what percentage of the 179th monthly payment is paying towards the principal? That's going to be 0.98, so 98%.